As Caricom enters 2025, new Chairman Prime Minister Mottley of Barbados outlined an ambitious agenda focused on regional integration and economic development. In her New Year's address, Mottley called for resuming full implementation of the Caricom single market and economy, forestalled by the COVID-19 pandemic.
These challenges, my friends, test our resolve, but they also underscore the urgency of adaptation, resilience, and bold action. The Caribbean must not only weather these storms, but we must lead in crafting solutions for a changing world. Central to our mission must be resuming the full implementation of the Caricom single market and economy. We paused our coordinated actions on this noble but critical mission as we applied all that we could muster to fight COVID and its trail of economic and social upheaval. But 5 years on, we must resume our work on the CSME. For this is not merely an economic agenda. It is a vision of unity and opportunity for small states who know that we can achieve so much more together than we do so individually. Full realization of the CSME, including above all else, yes, the free movement of our nationals, is essential for unlocking the true potential of our people and our economies.
The Barbadian leader also addressed regional security concerns, announcing follow-up meetings to implement the George Bridge Declaration on Crime and Violence. Mottley highlighted the need for both national and regional solutions.
This declaration, reached out in Georgetown, Guyana, under the chairmanship of Barbados, prioritizes citizen security and safety by addressing it as a public health challenge, while innovating and strengthening our efforts nationally and regionally in law enforcement and the modernization of our criminal justice systems. This is absolutely critical for the majority of our people who simply want to ensure that the zone of peace that we aspire to as a region for the Caribbean is a lived reality in each of our communities.
Mottley announced Barbados will host the region's premier cultural festival.
My friends, my brothers and sisters, CariFesta 15 will be held in Barbados from August 22nd to 31st, 2025. I'm inviting you, God willing, to create, to participate, and simply to come. I speak to each and every one of us as Caribbean people, not just as members of Caricom, but every one of the Caribbean people that I can hear my voice, come. As we would say in Barbados, miss this and blame yourself. Food and fashion, music and dance, art, craft, sculpture, and good old Caribbean talk, from philosophy to attitudes, from religion to development. Let us use this as an opportunity to build resilience in our region, spiritually and psychologically, each of us individually. Let us gather and feed our souls and nurture our spirit.
The new CARICOM chair succeeds Grenada's Prime Minister, Dickon Mitchell.